Word processing. What do you know about word processing? Sharon, are you there? Inone?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, what do you know about today word processing? Dinusha?
Is a software to
What kind of
type
software today?
any.
Right. Yes, yes.
It is made, that means like it is provided by any corporation like
Uh-huh.
Microsoft Corporation,
Mhm.
LibreOffice, and it is type of thing that we can type our letters, messages, create our cards.
Yes, very good. Exactly. Right. Word processing is application software. What do you mean by application software? There are different kind of softwares, right? Application softwares as well as system softwares. Do you know about that? Any idea, Dinusha?
System software means teacher, like it is it is like
Give me some
done
example.
through.
Yes, give me some example. Then you can understand it clearly. Dinusha, give me some examples for the system softwares. System. Yes, yes, Dinusha. Yes, Sharon. Any examples for the system
The
software?
application software like CapCut,
Yes,
Zoom.
yes, exactly. Application softwares, the examples are, right, word processing, right, PowerPoint presentation, MS Excel, web browser, right? There are a lot of applications of the meaning of that, right? We use those kind of softwares for to achieve some specific objective, right? There are other softwares, we call that the system softwares, especially operating system, right? Drivers, those are belongs to the system softwares. Operating system, you know about operating system? There are examples, a lot of examples. MS, uh, uh, Microsoft, Microsoft Corporation, Windows 10, Windows 11, right?
LibreOffice.
LibreOffice is a application software with it, right? LibreOffice is
Okay.
a right application software, right? We use LibreOffice to prepare some reports, right? There are a lot of applications there, like, and Word also there, Excel's also there, PowerPoint also there. There are different applications there. That's the bulk of uh, software package, right? LibreOffice. Then when we are talking about the Microsoft Corporation, right? Microsoft Corporation. So far, we have learned about PowerPoint. Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Microsoft. We talk about the MS PowerPoint. Then we talk about the MS Excel. Today we have to talk about word processing. Word processing is an application software, right? That we can use to prepare some documents, reports, letters, or invitation card, and also we can use uh, to design some certificates, banners, right? We can use this tool. This is very important tools nowadays, especially in the offices, businesses, right? Government offices, they have to use these tools, especially MS Word, right? To prepare some documents, reports. This is very important tool nowadays, right? Here, there are some examples here. Now you can see that, right? There are some examples for the word software, right? Word processing. We call that name with other name, word processing, right? Here you can see These are very famous. LibreOffice, right? Microsoft Word, Office Word, OpenOffice. These are some favorite examples. Right. And also we have to talk about here, there's a special thing that is online office package. Can you remember about this one? Sharon, online office package?
Sir, Google Docs.
All right, Google Doc. Yes, you can see here Google Docs. And can you remember this one?
Yes, sir, that thing which can be used at any time from any place.
Yes, very good. With the use of the web browser. Can you remember at the very first day, as I can remember, I explained you about this MS365. Can't you remember? Mataganadde.
I can remember, sir.
All right, very good. Right. If you have time, I will explain, right? Google Docs also, right? How we can use Doc for the collaboration activities, especially collaboration activities, right? We can use Microsoft 365 also for the collaborations. These are very
Sir,
effective.
it is easy to share like that viewer commenter.
Yes, today that is we call the collaborations. We can do some teamworks, group works with the support of the Google.
Everyone can access after attaching
Yes,
their
yes,
Gmail.
exactly. We can prepare a document, then we can share with our friends. They can edit that document with the collaborations, right? As a teamwork, they can prepare a single document. No need to prepare separate document in their machines, but they can prepare a single document. What we can do is we can prepare a document. Anyone can prepare it. Then that document we can share with others, right? Using their email address. If it is not, we can share the link.
We can limit like to editor, commenter,
Yes,
and
exactly.
viewer.
Yes, edit permission there, comment permissions there, view permissions there, or read permissions. There are different kind of permissions, right? Categories there, right? We will talk later. Then here you can see the versions is Microsoft Office Word 2010. What are the other versions available? Give me some examples.
2013, 2016,
Or yes, exactly.
2007.
2019 versions also there, and 2000 MS365 also online versions, right? 2007, 2010, 2013, 16, 19, and also MS365 versions there, right? Here in this book, you can see the versions is 2010, right? Yeah, 2010 version, right? But I am going to teach you the 2016 version, 2016 version, right? Here, how we can start a Word document in your PC.
Start button.
All right, just click here, start button, then type
Search for PowerPoint.
not
Word.
not the PowerPoint
Word.
today, right? Today's session is MS Word, right?
Word.
Right. Here, again, I will repeat it. Just click on start button, then type Word, right? Here, then you can find this icon. This is a 2016 version one. Here also you can see the 2007 versions also. Both are there. 2007 versions there and 2016 versions also there. Right? Now I will click on this one, not 2007 one. I will click on 2016 version. Just click on it. Now it's opening. Now you can see in this background place, we call that the backstage view. Remember, new word, right? Backstage view, this view. Here you can see, here One is blank document. There's another one. Welcome to Word, single spade. There are different kind of templates there. Here you can see that more templates also. That means predefined templates also available. What you need to do, you can download or you can open a template, then you can customize it according to your requirement. That is very easy. If it is not, then you can start it as a blank document, right? This is another way. And here you can see the recently opened files, right? Here you can see. Now what I want to do is I am going to open a blank document. Therefore, I will click on this options. Right, now you can see the interface of the MS Word 2016 version. Right here. Here, this is the what is the name of this one? Here you can see small icons or commands, we call that. Here, what's the name of that? This one, you can see my cursor, right? Here, it's moving. What's the name of this place? Dinusha?
Sir, quick access to
Right, exactly. This is called the quick access toolbar. Remember the word quick access toolbar. Here you can see the document title. Right here, document title. In this place, you can see the close button and restore down and minimize. Here you can see the profile. If you can add the Microsoft Office Microsoft account, then you can see your name here. Then here you can see home, insert, design, layout, preferences, mailing, preview, views. These are called the tabs. There are home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout tab, reference, etc. Right. Then if you go to the home tab, there are some groups. These are called groups. Clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing, etc. Right? There are a lot of groups there, right? Under insert tab also, pages, tables, illustration, links, comment, some groups. Under each group, you can see some commands. Let's say, for example, under clipboard group, you can see paste, right? Paste command there. Formatting painter. Under font group, you can see bold, italic, underline, fonts, font sizes. There are a lot of commands. Right, here you can see the document, and here you can see the scroll down, scroll up here in this place, and here you can see the zoom control. Minus icon, that means zoom out. Plus icon means zoom in. Right, here you can see the ruler, right? Ruler document. Here you can see the ruler. Right. This is the basic structure, basic features of the MS Word 2016. Any questions? Anything to clarify? Dinusha?
no, sir, I am familiar with this application.
Yeah, very good. Right. Dinusha, any questions for this?
It's clear, sir.
Right. What about MS Excel?
I watched it. The link that you sent
Not the
before.
last one, no.
It's,
No, last week one, no. Previous
yeah,
one.
I watched it.
Any questions for this? All are clear? Or there are some clarifications.
It's clear, sir. No, I mean,
But last week we did a lot of activities. Sharon, can you
yeah,
remember?
I saw that you have sent it for the group also.
Yes, yes. I didn't send the video last week one, isn't it? Not the last week.
Yeah, sir, not that one. I mean the previous one.
Yes, yes. We did lot of activities in the last week. Sharon, can you remember? We did lot of activities. Please try to do right, Dinosha. Please try to do to complete those activities. If you have any clarifications, please send a message, WhatsApp message. Then we can clarify it. Oh,
Okay, sir.
right. Next one. Now you can see the document here. Here, document. I will do some example here. Look at this one. Right. This is the some document prepared, right, with MS Word. Here you can see this is a cover page. Right here you can see the cover page. First page is a cover.
The PDF, right?
Yes, sir, exactly. I converted into
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I need to ask about the tunes of that last PowerPoint and Excel. Are you going to send it?
Excel, do you need Excel one? This is those are based on the practical, pure practical one today.
Okay, sir.
If you need, I will send it. Right? PowerPoint also, PowerPoint, MS Excel, and MS Word are pure practical sessions.
Okay, sir.
There is no theoretical things, right? Exactly. Can you see any theoretical things here?
No, sir.
Yes, because we have to do the lot of practicals. If you need anything, then you can write. If I can find some note, I will send it, right? I will send the PowerPoint one, and I will try to send the Excel also, right? Don't worry about that. Anyway, I will give a note. Right, here you can see the cover page. First page, here, assume that this is a document. This is a cover page. Here you can see the Internet of Things, that is a text and image I have inserted into. And here you can see the again text. Here you can see the table of content. And also you can see the table of figure. Then we can insert table of table. Likewise. Next, here you can see here numbering format. Here, look at very carefully. Here you cannot see a number, page number in the first page. Here in the second page, that means table of content page, then you can see a number, page number.
You have changed it after the first page.
Right. Then see the next page. Then you can see the another page numbering format. Here, look at the first one. It's a, I will zoom it. Look at,
It's Roman number.
yes, Roman number. Here, that's a
Numerical number.
numerical numbers, right? There are two formattings. And here, look at, here you can see the headings. These are called the headings. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, etc. There are a lot of headings we can prepare. And also you can see the text, right? Text there and alignments you can see. And also here italic one, and also you can see the color of the font. Here image of there, you can see the figure 1.1 Internet of Things. And also here you can see this one. This is called a watermark, IoT. Then here you can see this some definition. These are called the footnote. There are two types of notes. One is root note, other one is end note. We will learn one by one. Then here you can see the two column. This is the first column. This is the second column. In between that, you can see a line. Right. Next. Right. Here you can see the illustration, and also you can see the figure number and number in there. Right. Here, there's a difference here. Can you see the difference, Pude? Here?
It's landscape, right, sir?
Yes, one is a portrait one, this one is portrait, this one is landscape. Right? How we can do these changes, right? We can do these changes into a single document. Single document. You should learn about these things, right? How we can, right, prepare a document in portrait as well as a landscape. Any idea, Sharon?
No, sir.
Any idea how we can prepare this kind of document?
Right click and
No. We have to do some settings changes, right? And also here I will no in this document no here you can see on the table of content you cannot see the watermark. Can you see it here? Here in this page you cannot see a watermark, but other pages you can see. Internet of things here, watermark there, and watermark there. And also here you can see a very special one, right? This is called the citations. Have you ever heard about the citations?
yes, sir. It is
Forensic?
about any links we can visit in the internet.
Yes. If you try to copy something,
Reference.
yes, exactly. It's references. Otherwise, you can see bibliography. Another term we call it the references, right? When you are doing your research, right? Assume that you have to do a research in the after the A levels or something. Exactly, you have to cite something, right? When you are reading a book, right? Newspaper or journal article or website, exactly you have to put the original source into your document. At that time, definitely you have to use the referencing feature. This is the reference. Here you can see in the word. There is a special type references. You have to use these features, right? Here you can see insert citations, bibliography, right? Right. This is very special, right? Remember that. Right. First, right? I will do a special one, right? How I can type any text in this document, right? Assume that, right? I want to type this is our grade 10 session, ICT session. Likewise, you can type, right? Likewise, using keyboard, you can type anything. Then you can change this font. Select the first select, then go to here under home tab. You can see font. There are different kind of fonts there, right? There are a lot of fonts. Here you can see there are a lot of fonts. You can select suitable fonts. If assume that I want to put Times New Roman, right? Then select the font. Then you can see the new fonts type here. If you want to increase the font size, here you can see the font size, right? Like this, you can increase the font size. If it is not in here also, you can see the increase and also decrease fonts here. Here, increase. This one is this decrease. And bold there, italic there, underline there, and strike through. And here, superscript, right? And also, this one is subscript. This one is superscript. How we can put that? I will do an example. Assume that H2O. Assume that you want to type H2O. H2O means what is
Water. No.
H2O?
Oxygen.
Dinusha?
Water.
Yes, exactly, water, right? H2O. Here you can see it in the two ways. It should be close to,
Subscript.
yes. How we can do that? Just select the word character first or number first, then select, then go to subscript. Now we can see it. Then how we can use the superscript? Assume that
It is used like to do that degree symbol. Like
this one.
that subscription.
Yes, not the decrease one to this. Here you can see the where.
No, sir.
Huh?
Like the degree symbol, we can.
Right, the decrease. Yes, exactly. Right. Here I will add a date. Assume that like this. It's automatically goes to up, right? But assume that if you want to assume 12th like this of November, just select the word, then click on the superscript like this. Then here another commands there are. One is highlighting. If you want to highlight some words or paragraph, just here text highlight. If you want to select another color, there are a lot of colors here, right? Just select, then you can change it. Or if it is not, you can select the color first, then come to the place that where you need to highlight, right? These are basic things. My intention is to teach you new things. That is, right, we will try first this one. All right. All right, it's working. Here, I want to add some text into this document, right? Assume that I need to add some text, random text to in this document. We can use some function here, right? The function is equation mark RAND, right? Rand, then open parenthesis, close parenthesis, just press enter. It's automatically generate a random text here. Can you see it? Right? This is a automatically generated.
Sir, what is the use of that function?
We can use this one to generate some text to do some practice for the practice. Assume that I want to now I can add some changes, right? Bold, italic, right? Coloring, likewise. For your practice, if you are want to no need to type text here, just add the random text. Right? Remember that we can insert random text, random, just for the practice, for your practice. They're using this function, equation, RAND, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, just press enter. Just keep in mind, we can do this one also. Next one, right? Next one. Here, now you can see, this is the document that we need to prepare. Assume that this is the exercise you got. Now we have to prepare this document, right? First, you need to insert a cover page. Next, table of content. Then you have to format in these things. We will try this one. Then here, you can see the source document. Source document means text, right? Text document. Here you can see. If I type this one, I will take 2 or 3 hours, right, to type this one. Therefore, I got the original source document of this one. I will divide the screen into 2, right? How I can divide? Just click here and drag into this side. Now you can see the source document like this. Just click on the output document. Now you can clearly see the screen.
Even we can do that Windows key and right side arrow key.
Yes, right? There are different methods there, right? Here now you can see here first page. We have to prepare the first page using this document. What I can do is put the cursor first. Put the cursor first, right? Then you go to insert tab there. Insert. Here you can see the cover page. Just click on cover page. Then you can see there are different kind of templates there, right? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. If it is not, scroll down and see the other cover pages, right? If it is, these are not suitable, then you just click on the more cover pages from office.com. Now you can see the other 3 items here. Right. Before that, I will do like this one, right? Assume that I want to change the font size and the font style, right? How I can do at once? How I can change the font size and the font styles at once, right? How?
Especially you have done it in that document, that I letter.
I letter, this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Home.
Hmm.
Select home.
Right.
We have to select the text.
No, I will do like this way. Just select all the text first. Control A. That is shortcut key. Remember to select all the text, right, in the document. Now you can see all are selected. Here. Right. What I do is now just go to font. The font here, font style is Times New Roman. Assume, right? Right? I will search here Times New Roman, right? Then I will increase the font size into 12, right? And here you can see the alignment. Here you can see this justify one text alignment here, right? How we can align? Here you can see the under paragraph 2, it's aligned to left side, align left, right? If I set it, now you can see the center, right? Center. Right side, this is the way I want to justify. Now you can see I justify the content. Right now you can see we did some few changes into this source document, right? Original document, right? Right. Next thing. Here, how I can insert our page, right? First, put the cursor here, right? Cursor here, then go to insert, then cover page. According to this example, all right, this is the cover page. This one, cassette, right? This is the cover page. Now you can see some editable items there, right?
Sir, we can that format painter just paste on that.
Format painter, this one.
No, sir, to take that same way in the title and the thing.
Ah, right. Here, first I do is I will delete these things. No need these things. What I do is select. You can press on delete button, right? Here also no need this one abstract. No need. Just select and delete unwanted things, right? This one knows delete, right? Now you can see here. I want to now insert this one. Here you saw that there's a word. If it is not, I will type. All right, I will type this one. Here I need to insert Internet of Things word as a title. I will type Internet. Right. If it is not, I will do it like this. This is the new way. Go to insert. There's a special tool for the text box. Right? Can you remember this one? Under Microsoft PowerPoint, we use this one. Text box. Draw a text box. Then draw. Then you can type Internet of Things. IoT. Right. Then select the text. Then you can insert the font sizes like this. Alignment, center. Right. You can. Now there's a problem. Now you can see the border here. Isn't it?
The borders, no borders.
Right. Yes. Now here you can't see a border. How we can remove it? Just select the text box. Go to shape formatting. Here you can see the shape outline, no outline. Right? That is the way. Next one. Here I will insert an image here. This image.
Sir, that mail merge or merge mail is in this one, no?
Yes. I will do a special session, right? Mailing. Here you can see the tab. There are a lot of exercises we have to do. Mail merge.
What is that mail merge or something?
Yes, we can prepare a format, right? Then we can duplicate it. Right? I will do it with the support of some data files.
Okay, sir. I just asked one day.
Right? I have a lot of exercises today, right? Here you can see here mail merge. There are a lot of exercises we have to do. That is very special one. Right. Here I will insert image into this place, right? Right. How I can insert image? Right. Just go to insert. Just go to insert. Then you can see a pictures. Pictures. Right. Here you can see it's two options. One is this device. Other one is online pictures. Right. If you click on this device, now you can browse the picture. Right. The location is, I think, right, this is the location. Yes, I will select the path and paste here, then insert. This is the image, select it and insert. Now you can see. Now I have taken to this page, not in this first, second page. What I can do here, you can see there is a options called the layout option. I will change it. Right. If you change the layout, then it will, you can move it where you want, like this. Just insert the image, then just click on it. Here you can see the options called the layout options. Default, you will get the inline with text. If it is, you can change with the text wrapping options. There are, here you can see options, this one, this one, this one. Just select on this one, then you can move it where you want, or you can put where you want, right, like this. Now we will see the output now. Now it seems to be okay, right? Right. Here, now you can see the title of some information here. How I can insert? Again, I will insert a text box. Just go to insert. Here you can see the text box. Then you can draw a text box like this. Then you can type. Right. This is called the IT 2000. You will type IT 2000 computer application. Enough, right? I will increase the font size. Center. Now I will remove the border outline. Just select on this one, go to shape format, check outline, no outline.
What is meant by IT 2000?
That is a subject code, right? Subject code, right? This is
Okay.
the example I got from the university students one. Don't worry about it, right? This is a subject we have, IT 2000, right? Then here, next one, here you can see the table of content and table of figure. How we can do this one, Putri? Dinusha, any idea?
So we write the topics and no, the topic, and we put numbering and write that content, and we click the full stop and put the number last.
Here.
Yes, sir.
No, that is exactly wrong. That is totally wrong, Putri.
Then I don't know.
Right? Table of content, you cannot write, right, manually. Table of content, you cannot write here. One, what is the Internet of Things, and put dot and one. Here, two, applications of the Internet of Things, keep the dot and one. That is not the way. Dinusha, any idea? Dinusha?
Sir, I think we should go for the references
Yes.
tab, right?
Yes, exactly. We have to go to the references tab. Right? Here you can see the references tab. Right? Under that, you will see some group called that the table of content. Here you listen, table of content, table of contents. Before going to displays this area, we have to mark which one is the heading 1, which one is heading 2, likewise. Here, look at this one, right? According to this example, here, 1, that is a heading 1 type. Assume that here, if you can see 1.1, that's a subtopic, that means a subheading. Right, I will try to show you subtopic now. In this document, no. Right, right. I will show another example today, then you can understand. Just give me a right. This is a document, right? Right. Look at this one. Look at this one document, right? This is the cover page. Here you can see the table of content. This is the heading 1 type 1. This is also the heading 1. This is now you can see 2.1, 2.3, 2.4. These are subheadings, right? Here literature 3.1 and also here 3.1.1, right? Likewise, here this example document. Here, first one, just go to this place. Here, what is the Internet of Things, right? Here, this one, we have to mark this one as a heading 1. How we can do? Just select the heading. Just select the heading. Just go to home. Now we can see that here under the styles, right? Styles, there are different type of styles. One is normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2. Likewise, if it is here, if you can select this place, now you can see different headings there, right? If I click on the heading 1 here, now you can see the color was changed, right here. But here color is the blue one, but it's bold, I think. Yes, small one. Now I can change this one. Here, just go to styles and heading 1, just right click on it, then modify it. Then you can modify the headings 1 styles. Assume that the heading 1 font type is Arial, then Arial. Select the Arial, then bold. If you want to change the heading 1 colors into black, I change it. Font size is assumed as not 16, 18. Then just click on OK. Now you can see that, right? This is how we can mark headings as a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, likewise. Here you can see the heading 2. According to this example, right? Here, this is the heading 1, and here background is a heading 2 type 1, right? Here you can see the size of the heading. So this is some kind of large one. Then compares to this, right? Here, assume that this is the, go to this example, this one, right? One, what is of Internet of Things. Next one, applications of the Internet of Things. This is also heading one type. Here, find that one. This one. Just select it. Just go to heading one. Then, next one, risk of the Internet of Things. Here, this one. Just select. Then mark it as a heading one. Then, how does the Internet of Things works? Find that one. All right, this one. Just select it. Just mark it as a heading one. Then this one, IoT applications and users. Right? You cannot see that word. We can type it manually. Wait for that. Then how we can number it now? How we can number? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. How we can number? Any idea? Sharon? Any idea?
Sir, they are in the paragraph section.
Hmm.
In the top, there is a thing like 1, 2, 3.
Here. Here,
Yes.
this one.
Yes, sir.
This is numbering, but there should be this one to the multi-level list. If you click on this one, you can see heading 1, right? Sorry, right here, right? Just put the cursor here, go to home. Here you can see multi-level list. If you have a multi-level means like this. This is a one level, this is another level. Likewise, those are called the multi-levels. That means here you can see 2, 2.1, 2.1.1. Likewise, those are called as the multi-levels. Right? In this example, you cannot see the multi-levels. Right? Here, right? You cannot see the multi-level, but I will teach you how we can use that. Right? Now we have already marked it heading 1. Just right. You can go to multi-level, then select heading 1 styles, and if it is not chapter 1, likewise I will select this one. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Likewise, this is how we can insert. Now you can see there's a problem here, right? Now you can see there's a problem. So numbering it's as a Roman numbers. How we can change? Just change the star here. There's option. Sorry. Here. All right. Just come to the numbering library. Then select the suitable one. Right, like this. 1. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise. That is how you can change the numbering. Right. Next. Before going to next one, any questions? Any questions to clarify?
No, sir.
Dinusha?
No, sir.
Next. here you can see that here this one. What is it? What is this, Pudin? I. Can you
Sir,
say-
it is maybe a font or the size is increased.
How we can do that, Pudin? Hmm? How we can do that? Dinusha?
Design,
No. It's not a design, Pudin.
references,
Not the references. Dinusha, any idea?
No, sir. I
Right.
don't know about that.
word art,
No, Pudin. Right? Here you
drop
can. And Nahari, drop cap. Right? Drop cap. Drop cap. That is option. Right? First select dropped. Right? Here there are different options here. First one is under drop cap, none. That means no drop cap. Other one is dropped. Here you can see the drop options. Another option is in margin.
Sir, it is available in the newspaper.
Yes, it is available in the newspapers. You should have an idea what is of that when you see that this kind of things. This is not the word shape or something. This is a drop cap. Drop cap, right? Then there is a problem here now. Here now you can see the first line, second line, third line, and fourth line. But here now you can see first three lines are there, but and the last line is not like this. How we can do that? Just click on the drop cap and drop cap options. Right? Then you can change the lines to drop. I will change in 4. Now you can see if it is not, assume that here go to right lines to drop. I will change into 2. Now you can see 2 lines cover. 2. If I go to drop cap and drop cap options, lines to drop, I will change it to 4. Now you can see the difference. Any questions?
No, sir.
Right. Dinusha? Are you there?
Hari, sir.
Right. Next one. Here you can see the text is italic and change the color into red. Here, select the text, go to home, italic, change the color into red, like this. Next one, how we can insert the image, right? How we can insert image. First, put a cursor, assume that you don't need to insert the image into this place, put the cursor here, just go to insert, pictures, this device. This is the image that you need to insert, select and insert. Now there's a problem. We have to do some formatting now, right? Now we can see
Sir, text
Anna Hari, right? Wrap text.
behind text.
I think this one is suitable. Now we can adjust it.
Yes, no, sir.
Yes, right. We can adjust the image size also. Just click here and you can drag, right? Like this, you can, right? Like this, you can adjust. Next one. Now you know how to insert image into the Word document, right? Go to insert pictures. You can select this option. If it is not, you can download from the internet. Then you can insert using this option, online pictures. Online pictures. Right. Next one. Here you can see. Here you can see a text. Here you can see the border. Text with border. How we can do that? Here, this one. How we can put a border to this? Just go to home. Here there is options called that the borders. If I click on the bottom border, now you can see the border, bottom of the text. Top, left, right, no borders, all borders. What is suitable one today? According to this example, which one is best? Now we can see the color is green one.
Dotted border.
The dotted border is it's suitable. Here dotted or not the dotted. This is a dash, right? Dash border. In this side, put it not the dash or dot. Right? What is a suitable one? Here, what we can do is just select the text. Just go to borders. Then there's options called as borders and shading. Right? Then you can create a custom one. Right? You can select the color like this. First, I will here right dash select this one, and you can select this and this place, top and bottom, and also you can increase the width also, right? Width and like this. In the other side, this one and this one, I will select this one and increase the width into, assume that 3. Then I will select this and this. Just click OK. Now you can see how you can add custom borders. Right? You know about how to add the borders, but I think you don't know about how to add the custom borders, isn't it? දැනගෙන හිටියද මේක custom border එකක් දාන විදිය?
Sir, I didn't know it.
Yes, exactly. Dinusha, what about Dinusha?
No, sir.
These are new things, right?
Sir, it is very attractive than other usual.
Yes, exactly. This one is attractive. Then now you can see here. So you can see here special color, pink color. How we can do that? Just select this text. Just go to right. Go to themes color. Then select the color like this. Now you can see that we can insert a color back, just like a background color, right? Text background colors. How we can do that? Just select the text. Go to shading, the themes colors, right? Select the suitable colors. Assume that this one is suitable. Just select it. Now you can see, right? Right. Next one. Now it seems to be okay. Next one. Assume that here, look at this one here, Wi-Fi. Here you can see a number 1 here. What is this, Buddha? Here there's a text, a word, and also you can see a number
Sir, it is defined at the last or something.
defined that in the last or something. What is the name of that, Buddha?
Subscript.
No. This is one kind of subscript, but that is not the subscript. We have to do a special.
Superscript.
No. That is not the thing. Then Usha, any idea?
I don't know about that, sir.
Yeah. How we can do that? Look at this one. Right? Find the word first. Yeah, the words are right. So regular paragraph. This one. Here, this is the word. Right, I will zoom in. Here we need to insert, right? We call that the insert footnote. Insert footnote, right? If you insert a footnote, right, I will select the word. Just come to the under reference tab. You can see the footnotes group. Under that, insert footnote. Now you can see. Just go and check here. This one. Now you can see Wi-Fi. Now you can see a number 1. Then it goes to page bottom of the page. Now here you can type some definitions according to this word, right? We can give some definition according to this example. There's a definition. I will copy this one, right? Copy this one and paste into this place. Sorry, it's not copied. I think yes. What I can do is I will just type this one. Wi-Fi is the wireless version of a wired Ethernet. Right? What is the advantages of this one today? We call that the footnote. What's the importance of this one? Footnote? Sharon, any idea? What's the importance of this one? Of this feature?
Sir, it is easy to identify something which should be mentioned down.
Yes. If you don't know that some technical, assume that if you prepare a document, there are a lot of technical words. Then reader cannot exactly understand what is the meaning of that word, right? Then we can give a definitions where that below page, that bottom of the page. Then reader
Sir,
can,
in that novels, it has
yes. Novels. In the novels, you can see
the
this one.
word. There is
The
no.
name is footnote. Footnote. Here you can see the word. Here you can see the word and number. Then go to the bottom of the page. Then you can see the definition. If it is not, if you can put the cursor here, now you can see the definitions also. Can you see the definition? If I put the cursor, then you can see the definitions. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is an important tool. Footnote. What's the difference between footnote and endnote? Here you can see the another note called as the endnote. Here we use this one that is called insert note. Other one is insert endnote. Any
Sir, down of the letter.
it is a bottom of the document today. End of the document. Get this one here. Assume that I wanted to put some endnote to this one digital. Just select this the word first. Just click on the insert endnote. Now see where I am now. Right? End of the document. Can you see it?
Last page of the document.
Last page of the document, right? That's the difference. Footnote means what?
It is represented in the last page of the
La-
document or end of the document.
Yes, right. That is the difference. remember that we can insert footnote as well as a note. We can give some definitions of technical words, difficult to understand some word, then we can give some definitions. That is the importance of the footnote and endnote. Here, according to this example, you can see a endnote. Here, right? Endnote. Next one. Here you can see the underline one. Underline. How we can do that? Here, this one. Just select the text, right? Just go to home and you can see the underline. Underline. It's very simple one. Here, what is this, Uday? What is this, Dinusha? What is this, Jerome? Any idea? Here, but you can see here.
Sir, it is like divided into 2 columns.
Then here, this
We
one.
have to go to it's a dividing border.
Dividing border, right? How we can do that? I will do this one. Now you can see the entire text here. It's not, can see it. Yes. First, select the text first. Select the text first like this, right? Then go to here. Here, go to layout tab. Layout tabs. Then there is an options called that under page setup columns. Here, if I put 2 columns, what will happen? Divided into 2 columns, but you cannot see that line, isn't it? Isn't it? Can you see the line that?
No, sir.
No.
I think
How we can do that? Just go to columns, then more columns options there. Then 2 columns. Then there's options called that the line between. Right? Assume that if you need to 3 columns, just click on this 3 column. If you want to add a line between them, just check on this one, tick on this one, then click on OK. Now you can see that line, right? That is how to divide it into text, divide it into columns as columns 1, 2, 3, and also now you know how to add the lines, right? Next one. Here also you can see the image. Image is, this is not a new one. This is the image. But I want to mention how we can insert this one, figure 1.1 Internet of Things. What is that today? How we can do that? Here you cannot see that figure 1.1. How we can do figure 1.1 one Internet of Things? How we can insert that? Any idea? Any idea? No.
I don't have any ideas.
All right, Dinusha.
Me too, sir.
All right. These are called the figuring. We can insert numbers, numbering for some images, right? When you insert some images into document, right? We can put some numbering, right? Assume that this is a figure 1.1. Why 1.1? You are in the right heading 1. That means call that the figure 1 chapter 1.1 image. Here, look at this one. Here, 4.4-1. That means the chapter is 4, or heading is 4. So figure 4.1. How we can do that, right? This is the way. Just select the first, just select the image, just select the image first. Then go to here, references. Just go to references tab. Then there is an option called that the captions. We call that this is a labeling. How we can label, right? Again, I am repeating it. Just select the image first. Just select the image first. Then insert captions. Insert captions. Now you can see that, right? Caption, caption, then caption. Then you can see a figure 1. And you can change these things, right? Figure and also below the selected item or above the selected item. Then numbering options, right? Under format, how to numbering 1, 2, 3, ABC, Roman numbers. Likewise, you can change the format according to your requirement. I will select the format 1, 2, 3, then include chapter number, then not the period, I will use the dash and right. Now it's okay. Then I can give that name. What's the name of that image? Internet of Things. Then you can type any name. Internet of Things. Then click on OK. Now you can see that I have already read the captions. Now you can format this one, right? Now you can see it's already aligned to center, right? Just select it. Just go to home, then center. And also here you can see the color is black, but here you can see the ash color, right? Just click on color into black. Like this, you can do it. This is called that the captions. Or there's another word called that the labeling. How we can label. Then we can easily identify the images, right? Images. Any issue? Any problem?
No, sir.
Right, Dinusha? Did you go for that point? Neither.
Yes, sir.
Right? This is how to insert captions. We can insert these kind of captions into figures, that means images, as well as the tables and also illustrations. Insert here, you can see the smart art also, shape also. If it is not, if you insert a chart, we can put some captions into charts also. Next one is right. Next one I will do this one, that is here. Can you see this one? This one here, you can see parenthesis on dot comma n dot d dot close the parenthesis. What is this? Any idea?
Maybe it's a formula.
Formula. Dinusha, what is that with it? Guess.
Sir,
Guess.
I don't that.
What with it? Oh, I
Don't know about that.
right. These are called that is citations. Can you remember citation? Right here you can see the reference arnon.nd cloudswords online. Now you can see the website there. Right. This is the cited para. Here, assume that this paragraph is cited from the unknown. Assume that this is the author name, right? Then we can insert that citation reference into this para, right? And you can see the finally under the references or bibliography, and you can see the reference. This is only just an example, right? So how we can insert a reference in a correct way? How we can insert references into your document using MS Word. Assume that, right here, here, this is the place that you need to insert that reference. Put the cursor, right? Put the cursor, then go to reference tab. Just go to reference tab. Just go to reference tab. Then insert citation. Insert citation. Then there is options called that add new source. Right? Add new source.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you have a
Right, you.
yes. Okay, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Here there are different type of sources, right? What are the sources? We will look book section, journal, article of periodical, conference, report. There are a lot of sources there, right? Assume that I cited that text from the website. Just click on the website, then put that author's name. Assume that is Arnold. Then you can put the web URL. Assume that www. education.com, right? Then put the other relevant spaces. Assume that the name of the web page, name of the site, year, month, date. These are not mandatory, but if you can insert, if you have data, then click on OK. Now you can see that it is automatically added here. These are called that is referencing or citations, or we can cite something, right? This is how to insert a citation, right? Here you can see, right? Any questions, Dinusha?
No, sir, it's clear for me.
Right. Next one. Next one is how to insert watermark. Here you can see a watermark. Watermark is IOT. How to insert that? How we can insert a watermark? Here, just go to here. Here, go to design tab. Go to design tab. Then you can see here under page background group watermark. Just click on it. Then you can see some sample. Okay. Confidential. There are sample. Assume that if you want to add your own watermark, then there is an option called the custom watermark. Right? No watermark is default. If you assume that if you want to insert an image as a watermark, then you can select picture watermark. Right? Assume that go to this example. Now you can see the text. The watermark is IOT. Right? Then click on the text watermark. Then here under text, you can edit this text. I will put IoT, right? Then click on apply, right? Just close it. See, now you can see it here. IoT, IoT, IoT. Right, how we can insert watermark? Just go to design tab. Here you can see the watermark options. Just click on watermark. Then custom watermark. Then you can insert a watermark as a text. Then click on select watermark. Then type the text. Here I put the IoT as a watermark. Then apply and close. If you want to remove the watermark, again go to design tab. Then click on watermark and remove watermark. Then you can remove the watermark. Next one. Then how you can insert colors to pages? Just click on the design tab. Here there is options called the page color. Right? Now you can see the colors are changing, right? Pages color. Assume that I want to insert this color. Right, this one. Now you can see I added the color to the page. Right? Now you can see this is how to add colors to pages. Just go to design tab. Then you can see the page color options. Then select the suitable color. Right? Like this. Next, how we can insert page borders. Page borders. Borders. Here you can see the options page borders. Under design tab, go to design tab. Page borders. Right? You can see some settings. Default one is none. There are box borders, shadow, 3D, custom. Assume that I want to insert the box border, right? And I will change the styles into this one. And assume that I want to add some color. Assume that this is the color that I want to insert as a page border. Then click OK. Now you can see I added a page border, custom page border, right? Custom one, right? And here you can see the box border. Change it according to your requirement, and also I change the color also, right? Here there's an option that is called that apply to whole document, and also only to this sections mean where you are now, right? This section first page only. There are some categories, this section first page, this section all except the first page. If you want to add the watermark, page borders to all document, then select all document, click on OK. This is how to insert page borders. Now you know about how to insert watermark, how to insert page colors as well as the page borders into a document. Right, these are very important. Right, now you can see our document now. Right, next one. Here, next one. Here, how we can change the layouts. How we can change the layout. Layout means how we can change the size of the document. There's a tab called that the layouts. Layouts. Then you can see the size. size, document size. Just click on it. Now you can see different sizes. Default one is letter size, right? 8.5 by 11, right? Width and height, width and height. Then legal size, right? Statement size, right? Executive size, right? A6, A5, B4. I will select A4 size. Standard one is standard size A4. This is how to change the document size, right? Where you can find that under layout tab, you can see that size. Just click on size. You can select the suitable one. According to this example, I selected on A4 size. Next one, page orientations. Page orientation. That means there are two types of orientation. One is portrait. Default one is portrait. Other one is landscape. Here now we can see, right? Page orientation. Now I change the last page as a landscape one, right? Before that page, now you can see it's a portrait one. I will zoom out. Now you can see the difference here. Here, right? This one is portrait one. This one landscape. This one portrait. This one landscape. Right? Anything to clarify? Anything to repeat?
It's clear.
Mhm. Right. Then next one, how we can insert page number. Here now you can see the 1, 2, 3, right? 4. Likewise, how to insert page numbers. How? Just go to insert tab. Just go to insert tab. You can see the page number. Just go to insert tab. Go to page number. There are different type. One is top page, bottom page, page margins, current positions. I will select on the bottom of page. Then there are different styles. One is plain number. You can see the page number, the beginning of here, middle. So just right to right side. Likewise, there are some different styles. Select the suitable one. I will select this one. Right now you can see here. It's disappeared, I think. Here. It's already added, but there is a problem. So now you can see this 0. Right? Here no numbers. Here no numbers. What we can do is, I will undo the document. Just go to insert. Right? I will go to first page first. Here. I will go to insert, page numbers, bottom of the page. Now you can see. Right? 1, 2. Now there is a problem here. Now there is a problem. Right? Now there is a problem. I will solve this problem in the next week. There's another session, special session. We have to talk about how to break section. Break section. Have you ever heard about the break section, Pute? No.
No, sir, I didn't hear about that.
Right. According to this example, right, now you can see this one is portrait, this one is landscape, right? We have to learn first how to use breaks. There are different kind of breaks there in the word. There are different kind of breaks here. Just go to layouts tab. Here you can see the options called as breaks. Just click on it. There are different kind of breaks. One is a page break. We can insert a new page by inserting a page break. So one method. There's another one is called that is column break. Right? Column break. Another important one is a section break. This is very important. Right? Why? If you want to do some different changes into single document, let's say for example, in this example, right? I told you that here you can see the Roman numbers into the table of content page, but in the second page, you can see the normal numbers, numeric numbers, right? Same document, different numbering formatting. And also, same document, you can see different page orientations. One is portrait, other one is landscape. For that, definitely you have to use the breaks. That means section break. Right? Section break. Section, this is very important. Right? Section break. Next day we will talk about how to do breaks. Right? Page break as well as the section break, and also importance of the page breaks and the section break. Right? This is very important session. Right. Next one. So far we have did some changes into the document. Next thing is keep in mind to save that document. Right? How we can save a document? Just go to file. Just go to file. Then there is options called as the save as. Save as. Then select this PC. Browse. Then select the location that where you need to save that document. Assume that I save this document on my desktop. Therefore, I select on desktop. I will select some folder. This is the folder. Open that. I will call that day 1 word session. Give a name. Session grade 10. Then just click on save. Now you know. Right now you know how to open a Word document and what are the basic features of the Word document. Quick access toolbar, title bar, tabs. There are different kind of tabs, and also there are different kind of commands. Right? How to change the font styles, font type, font size, bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript, highlighting, right? Adding borders, adding numbering, multi-level list, and also how to change heading 1, heading 2, right? And how to change the layouts, right? Change the orientation, portrait, landscape, how to change the page sizes, right? Next one, how to insert footnote, endnote, right? How to insert captions, right? These are very important. And also, lastly, we talk about how to insert watermark, page color, and the page borders, right? I will repeat these things in the next week also. Sorry, don't worry about that. Harvinder,
Okay, sir.
right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
How can we convert this Word document into a PDF?
yes. Just go to file. Here, look at the screen. Here you can see the file, save as, then select the place. I assume that I want to save in this PC, browse, then select the location, right? I will select on the desktop. This is the folder. Then save as type. Save as type, change into PDF. Can you see that word, PDF?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by PDF then?
Like portable document file or something.
Portable document format, right? Portable document format, PDF, right? Then click on save, right? We will check that. Just minimize it. Minimize. This is the folder. Oh, no, right now you can see that PDF file. Making so far we did edited this document and finally I converted into the PDF. Right, save it as a PDF. Now you can see the document as a PDF. Right, this is how to save a Word document into PDF, portable document format. Right.